Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can stop sharing photos or videos via link sharing or quick share on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Then we go down and tap on quick share. In here, tap on link sharing history. Now tap on the file that you want to stop sharing. So you need to, let me see if I can, in here there's a delete option, but you can actually delete it. So what you want to do is you need to open up the file and then you need to tap on stop sharing. So stop sharing the videos or the pictures that you have shared previously, and then tap on stop sharing right here, stop sharing, and that's it. After that, you can tap on the remove button, and again we do this the same over here. You can tap on it and then tap on stop sharing, and then after that you can remove it from the link sharing history. And after that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.